This is our self-developed water-filled PVC flood barrier for factory flood resistance testing. Made of thick and tough PVC material, it is waterproof, pressure-resistant and leak-proof. The barrier can fit the ground close lie after water filling, stopping accumulated water and backflow effectively. It is easy to set up, fold and reuse. Through multiple rounds of internal flood simulation tests, we verify that this product offers stable and reliable flood protection for factory flood control.